pack. Alright. Elton Brand base. Harrington base. Yeah, Steve Nash jersey insert parallel. Nice for the collection. Richard Hamilton base and Anton Jamison base. Rajon Rondo base. Tony Parker base. Another Generations insert of Nash and Kevin Johnson. Cool. Another one for the Nash collection. Not numbered. Rashard Lewis base and Paul Millsap base. Okay, Monta Ellis base, Chris Paul base, Legends insert, John Havlicek, Marcus Aldridge base, and Brook Lopez base. Okay, Jamal Crawford base, Rasheed Wallace base, Andre Iguodala insert jersey, Richard Jefferson base, and Dwight Howard base. Alright, Jesse Calderon base, Andre Iguodala base, Al Thornton base, and auto jersey of Ty Lawson. Cool, been trying to get an auto of him, but haven't been able to purchase one to now. Don't need to. Okay, cool. Tyshawn Prince base and Steve Nash base. Jameel Nielsen base, Zach Randolph base, Dirk Nowitzki insert jersey. I pulled one of that in the last box. Josh Smith base and Joe Johnson base. Oh, Atlanta pack. Alright, 2 more packs I think. Okay, Allen Iverson base, Grizzlies jersey, Steven Jackson base, oh, Nash again, oh, insert jersey. Did I get the home version before? I can't even remember now. I'll have to have a look. Alright, Raymond Felton base and Brad Miller base. Did get a Nash home jersey, I can't remember. Old age is getting to me. Alright, Dirk Nowitzki base, Mo Williams base, Devin Harris base, and a jersey parallel of David Lee, 87 of 100. I think I've seen one of those, but yeah. Okay, cool. Andre Miller base and Luol Deng base. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time.